In this short video, I will show you a proof of withdrawal from STORMGAIN app. So make sure to watch the video up to the end because I will share with you what I experienced trading with STORMGAIN for the first time. First of all, let's go and withdraw my USDT, which I mined within 3 days only. To start mining USDT, you just have to tap the green button to start mining. So let's withdraw the USDT now. Pay attention to this, it's important. Then it will say it usually takes from 5 minutes to 2 hours for withdrawn funds to be credited to your account. Please wait to receive the funds, but I got my funds in less than 2 minutes. Now I start mining free USDT. So let's dive into trading straight away. If you are getting value from this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel because I will be giving good strategies in forex trading in the coming days. I will leave the STORMGAIN link in the description. So if you have not yet joined this amazing app, then you should register right away. Only if you want to change your life. So let's start now. I will trade BTC.USD for now, guys. First we need to change the chart from lines to bars, which is pretty simple to do after, and now I can see the candles red, which mean I can buy. I advise you not to use high leverage if you are just a beginner. Now I put my bet, so let's just sit back and slowly come to collect my profits minute after minute. Let's check my wallet now. I currently have 11.58 USDT, which is equivalent to $11.58. After earning from my trade, you can see I have 12.23 USDT in the right corner. Now let's continue trading and hopefully make 50 USDT today. Once again, if you like what you see and want to join, will leave a link in the description. Go check out for yourself on a demo account.